Here we have a SAT math question in geometry. That is, we have a problem on finding angle measures. So there is a figure given over here. In the figure above, line segment DA and the line segment BC are parallel, and the line segment AB bisects the measure of angle DAC. That means that the measure of angle DAC over here has been divided into two equal parts by the line segment AB. Bisections, it divides the angle measure into two equal parts. So we have to find the measure of angle BCA. So BCA, that is, we have to find the measure of angle BCA in terms of A. Okay, so now apply the information we have in the question in the figure over here. So the question clearly says the angle measure DAC has been bisected by the line segment AB. That means it has been, this angle measure is divided into two equal parts by AB. So then the angle measure over here and the angle measure over here must be equal, because this angle measure has been divided into two equal parts. So whatever angle measure we have here, we have the same angle measure over here. Already the angle measure for this one is given, that is A degree. Then the measure of this angle also must be A degree. Then what is the measure of angle DAC? A positive A, it becomes 2A. Okay, so now let's consider the other information. The line segment DA and BC are parallel, and whenever two lines are parallel and the line which intersects the two parallel lines is called transversal. Okay, if two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the consecutive interior angles are supplementary. So that is the angle measure over here and the angle measure over here. These two angles are two angles marked in red color are called consecutive interior angles when two parallel lines AD and BC are intersected by the transversal. And these two consecutive interior angles must be supplementary. That means the angle measure over here, the angle measure over here must add up to 180 degree. So already we know that the angle measure of over here, that is a measure of angle DAC, which is 2A positive, and I do not know this angle measure. That's what I have to find. That is the angle measure BCA. That's what I have to find. So we can write measure of angle BCA. So these two angles are consecutive interior angles. They must add up to 180 degree. I mean supplementary. Okay, now we have to solve for this measure of angle BCA in terms of A. So for that, I subtract 2A from both sides. When I do so, this positive 2A, negative 2A will cancel out. Then measure of angle BCA equals to 180 negative 2A. So I solve for the measure of angle BCA. So that is equals to 180 negative 2A. I mean, I solve for measure of angle BCA in terms of A. So I find 180 negative 2A in option C. So the correct answer choice for this question is option C.